Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a handle for this mallet kit. If you're interested in knowing about how I got this mallet kit, stay tuned till the end. Until then, I hope you enjoy. Traditionally on these mallets, you would do stacked leather and epoxy and put it all together and it would be a nice little handle. I want to do something a little different. So I first tried just using a dowel, and I put the dowel in there and it just didn't look very nice. It had the potential, but anyways, it just wasn't perfect. I tried with a nicer dowel, this walnut. It still didn't quite have the look I wanted. And then I found these scraps of Baltic Birch plywood from another project, and they're really too small to do much with, but I think they'll work perfect for this. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made a handle for this maul kit. If you're interested in getting one of these kits, I suggest you check out the link in the description below. It'll take you over to the High Caliber Craftsman website, and Austin will hook you up. I think this is really cool because you could do a lot of fun things to make these handles really your own. You could do something with like skateboard veneers, you could do some micarta, you could do just about anything in these handles. You could turn a nice piece of wood, anything you want. The world is your oyster. This is also my entry into the Rubbish Wood Challenge put on by Mark Daner over at Daner Made, and I'll leave a link to the playlist of all the different entries into that competition in the description below. Until next time, cheers and have a great day. If you're interested in getting one of these mallet kits, you can get one from Houston over at the Low Caliber Artisan. Oh, what's that? It's Austin from High Caliber Craftsman? Not Artisan? Are you sure? I guess you can get it from Austin. What kind of name is that? Sounds like someone who would listen to Pinkerton.